Hey y'all, Jamie Deen. I'm here in Mom's Kitchen. This is air fryer week, and I got lucky. I pulled the best air fryer recipe that we have. Chicken wings. I love chicken wings. Now, we've come through all the holidays. There's certainly been our fair share of food eaten around here. Air fryer week is just to kind of kick us off in the new year a little bit lighter. This is a great recipe that's got some Asian flavors we're gonna bring in later. But first, let's talk about what we're gonna do. I've started with about a pound of chicken wings here, and I've cut them into two pieces, so I got drums and flats. You just need a little bit of oil in here. And to coat these up, I made sure that these are fresh and nice and clean. So oil, salt, and pepper. Just get these coated with your normal seasonings, and I'm gonna arrange these skin side up. See my little flats right here? I'm going skin side up. We're gonna put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees, and these will cook for about 30 minutes. Y'all have to excuse the frog in my throat. It is time for all God's children to have a cold, and I have 3 of God's children in my house, and we love to share. So excuse my raspy today. Woo. Skin side up. We've got our chicken oiled, salt, and peppered. We're going into an air fryer, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. As soon as this gets going, we're gonna start on our glaze that we're doing today. Delish. Stick around. All right, y'all, I've got about a quarter of a stick of butter, I think, in here. You know, you can find the recipe online. And then to this, I've got some ginger and some garlic. I love Asian flavors. I love, love, love. I'm gonna turn this down just a hair. And we're just gonna marry this together with the butter and get some flavor going in here until you can really smell it going. I don't wanna do a whole lot of cooking here. Well, I wish I could smell that. Doesn't that smell good to you?
Oh gosh.
Ginger, garlic, and butter. We got our chicken wings going over in the corner. This takes about the same amount of time. So I've got this going really good. Let's add the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna get some, we're gonna go ginger ale. I wanna get something in here so this doesn't burn. I'm gonna put this entire little bottle of ginger ale in here. Get this going. Ginger ale is such a good flavor that you can add to hams and just all different kind of sauces. It's got a citrusy flavor and it cooks down really well. We're also gonna add some honey. Honey wings, ooh. This is gonna melt down and get in there good. We're gonna add, let's get a little bite in there. Lemon juice.
That's actually lime juice.
Lime juice, that's what I said. Check the tape. Lime juice is even better. I love some lime. And lastly, soy sauce.
God, it smells good.
So good. This is gonna be a delicious sauce. In about 30 minutes, we're gonna keep this on reduced heat, and I want this to thicken up, and it will. I'll give you, there's a note here. If it doesn't get as thick as you would like, you can add a little bit of,
Wondra.
what am I trying to think of?
Wondra.
Who? Wondra.
Wondra. It's the name of a thickening agent that you can buy in the grocery store.
Really?
Flour. You can do flour, but the Wondra works too.
I was thinking, y'all come back and figure out if I can figure out what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna cook this real slow for about 30 minutes and thicken this up. And if it doesn't get thick enough, we're gonna add cornstarch. That's what the word that I was looking for. You can take cornstarch and a little bit of water and we'll thicken it right up. Let's see if, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Right now we're going good. Stick around, y'all. 30 minutes, we're gonna have some Asian wings. Let's go. Yes, sir, yes, ma'am. That's what I'm talking about. I love my wings crispy too. Gave them about 35 minutes in the air fryer. And while that was doing, you see our sauce is reduced down really nice. Ooh, I do love chicken wings. I do love air fryer week. Hey, there was a time I never, ever used the air fryer, but boy, howdy, have I changed my tune. That is one of the most convenient kitchen tools I've ever seen. Now we've got our ginger ale sauce. I'm not gonna put too much on here. And it's a little thin. Give it a good tossing. Ooh wee, can y'all smell that? Chicken wings with a little Asian flair. Tell them, T.
Oh my gosh.
You can smell it.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I love chicken wings. They're pretty pricey when you go out and even at the store these days, but they are so easy to make at home, y'all, and so worth the effort. Our boys just love chicken wings. Now, I'm gonna put a little bit of green onion on top of this, going with our Asian flavor. Really make it pretty. Look at that. Ginger ale glazed chicken wings, y'all. Let's try it. Want to? Ooh, daggum. Hot. But worth it. Really, really delicious, y'all. Every time I do this, it's hard to talk with a mouthful of lava. Y'all eat these chicken wings before I come to the house and eat them for you. This is good food, y'all. Thanks for tuning in today. Enjoy Air Fryer Week. I'm Jimmy Deen. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.